Grandma kept this 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat sleeping in original factory French racing blue for decades, and today I'm taking it home. $300, one chance, and this 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat in original factory French racing blue is coming back to life.
Hidden away for decades, this 1937 Peugeot Darl'Mat represents an incredible find for the automotive world.
My God, there it is.
The racing blue is still visible under the dust.
Discovered in this forgotten barn, the legendary Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat, untouched for decades.
This covers the hold.
All right. Let me know when you're ready to pick her up.
The 1937 Darl'Mat, untouched for decades, finally sees the light of day. A remarkable barn find.
Okay, she's coming down now. Easy, easy. Looks rough, but it's all there. Bring the arms in slowly now. We need perfect alignment on the chassis points.
Rolling back slightly.
The arrival of the Darl'Mat marks the beginning of a meticulous restoration. The cold light reveals decades of wear.
Carefully releasing the latch on this 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat reveals decades of dust and the beautifully aged mechanics underneath.
Caked in decades of grease, the original engine reveals the true challenge of this restoration. The disassembly begins. It takes considerable effort to break the seal on this original French racing blue wheel.
As the second wheel comes off, we can finally inspect the decades of grime hidden behind the elegant fender.
This is the original trunk of the 1937 Darl'Mat. Everything here, the tools,
Okay, lift on your side. It's really stuck.
Watch the edge of the door there. Easy now.
As you can see, the original leather is quite worn, but the structure beneath is sound. We use specialized tools to free these clips.
These original cloth wires are incredibly brittle. One wrong move and the whole cluster shatters. We have to be gentle.
It takes some force, but with the nut removed, the splines should release. There we go. Finally free from the column.
there it goes. Careful now, it's heavy.
I have the weight, let's get it to the stand.
The Darl'Mat utilized specific Marshall lamps, which are incredibly difficult to source today, so removal must be precise.
These auxiliary lamps are original. You can see the chipped yellow glass and the road grime. Getting these bolts loose after all these years is the first challenge.
Okay, it's loose. Bring it straight back.
There's a lot of dust coming down.
The disassembly of the 402 Darl'Mat proved challenging, particularly these front bumper brackets.
Beneath the graceful exterior, we find the inevitable truth of a car this age. Decades of grime and significant rust pockets are now exposed.
All right, easy now. It's heavier than it looks.
Yeah, I got it. Look at the state of that suspension, incredible.
As we begin the disassembly of this rare 402, we're carefully documenting the fragile fasteners and the original patina of the French racing blue.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that is heavy. Watch the hoses.
Okay, easy now. Watch the line.
Got it. It's really stuck on this side.
As the old line is detached, you can see the corrosion falling away, revealing the original bare chassis beneath the French racing blue body.
All right, bring her up slowly. Watch the manifold on the left.
Taking the strain now. Looks clear.
The 1937 Darl'Mat is a masterpiece, but extracting this engine requires absolute precision. We're finally clearing the mounts now.
The Darl'Mat's transmission is a heavy unit, thick with years of road grime and oil. Lowering it requires precision. The disassembly phase begins with the front suspension.
We're carefully detaching the original brake assemblies and sprongs from this 1937 Darl'Mat.
All right, hold it steady. Watch the brake lines.
Yeah, I got it. Keep coming back.
Here we see the complete disassembly of the 1937 Peugeot 402. The chassis and body shell are separated.
The deep cleaning phase begins now. This 1937 Peugeot is finally getting its pressure wash.
The legendary French racing blue is slowly emerging from beneath the thick lather.
This 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat requires the utmost care. We use soft brushes to gently lift.
As you can see, the mud paste and trap straw are finally starting to break down, revealing the original fasteners underneath. We're applying the degreaser now. You can see how it immediately starts to lift that decades-old grime off the firewall, revealing the factory blue.
The deep cleaning phase is crucial. We use high-pressure water to strip away decades of grime. The deep cleaning phase focuses on the front wheel arches, where decades of caked earth and grease are finally breaking loose under the high-pressure spray.
Here we see the thick cleansing foam sliding down the unique lines of the Darl'Mat. Notice how the dirt bleeds through the bubbles.
The deep cleaning phase is crucial. We have to be careful around the original French racing blue paint. We're looking at the inner fender of the 37 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat. It's a meticulous process of scraping and washing away nearly a century of buildup. Lowered into the warm solution, the intricate chrome slats of the 402 begin to shed their long-held secrets, revealing the original factory finish beneath the grime. As you can see, the French racing blue paint is vibrant. We are carefully brushing the oxidized bezels, watching the yellow grime run into the tray. The deep cleaning phase is critical. As the soft brush works, the true color of these rare auxiliary lamps.
The deep cleaning phase is crucial for the 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat. We're removing decades of grime. The stripped seat frames from the 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat are now ready for deep cleaning.
The deep cleaning phase is crucial. We focus on the tarnished bezels and dusty knobs, ensuring the oxidation stays.
Here you can see the solvent attacking the old grease, flushing it from the tight tolerances of the 402's steering assembly.
Now we begin the meticulous deep cleaning phase. As the dirt loosens into the dark water, the original factory
Following the chemical soak, we rinse the
The deep cleaning phase is crucial for the 1937 model, ensuring every jet and linkage is free of debris.
We're using high pressure here to remove 70 years of grime, revealing the factory finish underneath.
We're now in the deep cleaning phase. We use high pressure to blast away the sediment and cobwebs, making sure to preserve that original rust-brown patina.
Lifting this embedded grease is hard work, but essential to reveal the original French racing blue of this Darl'Mat suspension.
Rinsing the tank is just the start. As you can see, the high-pressure water begins to loosen the dust and scale rust, revealing the original French racing blue underneath.
The deep cleaning phase. This fluid swirl bears its hard Urish deposits.
The deep cleaning phase is crucial. We're blasting away decades of grease and grime, revealing the true condition of the frame.
This second degreasing pass is really starting to reveal the original stamped contours of the firewall.
Pausing now between the washes, the bare shell of the 402 Darl'Mat begins its slow drip dry, revealing the history in its faded racing blue.
The deep cleaning phase is critical. Specialized tools reach deep into the panel edges, tackling the hidden.
While the deep cleaning phase is complete, the scars remain. This vehicle wears its history proudly,
a testament to its endurance.
Rust mapping begins.
Here at the restoration bench, we wire brush the original bolts, sorting them carefully. This ensures the integrity of the Peugeot 402 remains intact.
As we remove the timing cover on this 402, the decades of wear are immediately apparent. Look at the excessive play here in the gears.
To restore this rare 1937 Peugeot block, we first use a high-pressure hot wash to clear the channels of any remaining grime and oil.
Cylinder hone hub ensures the boring.
Once the journals are polished, we use the micrometer to check the tolerance. Every thousandth matters on a Darl'Mat.
With the pistons cleaned, we carefully measure the ring gaps before fitting the new rings, paying close attention to the tolerances required for the 402 Darl'Mat.
The cylinder head from the 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat requires meticulous attention.
As the brass tones reappear, the linkage movement becomes crisp once more, a testament to the meticulous restoration.
The cooling components of this 1937 Peugeot 402, painted in the original French racing blue.
We start by carefully straightening the fins, then it's on to the soldering. The pressure test at the end is crucial to ensure the repair holds.
As the gears are assembled in sequence, the oiled metal catches the light, revealing the careful integration of new bearings and seals into the original casting.
The yellow compound indicates the contact area. Now, carefully aligning the bearing race, we apply pressure.
Restoring the front suspension means returning to the original factory geometry. These parts are cleaned, rebushed, and carefully reassembled.
Once assembled, we give the drum a slow spin. This ensures proper clearance before the unit is installed back on the Darl'Mat chassis.
As we pan across the clean cast arms, notice the preserved hardware. Every surface maintains that realistic, slightly imperfect factory finish. We source the exact brass fittings and braided steel lines. It's crucial that the refurbishment remains absolutely true to the 1937 specifications.
Here we see the abrasive blasting process. Decades of rust are peeled back, revealing the pristine metals. The epoxy primer is essential for durability. Notice how the spray gun lays down an even fan pattern.
We're using fresh metal here to replace the rusted floor pan, making sure to keep the welds clean.
Right there, gently now.
Check the reflection, it's almost gone.
That's the spot.
The key here is subtlety. We use a thin skim of filler to perfect the lines, ensuring we never alter the...
The sweeping fenders of the 402 Darl'Mat require hours of meticulous block sanding to achieve this level of straightness.
No, that's still too wide right here by the hinge. We need to shim that up.
Okay, trying the .08 gauge now. It fits snugly.
Perfect. That alignment is spot on. Questions. To ensure the French racing blue sits correctly, every seam and edge of this 1937 Peugeot...
Entering the primer stage, the smooth gray coating reveals the corrected shapes of this rare vehicle. The long hood and teardrop fenders are perfectly preserved.
The key is the slurry trail. This gray residue shows us exactly where the block is cutting the primer, ensuring perfect straightness across the panel.
The guide coat is essential. Under this harsh light, every imperfection, every low spot is brutally honest.
Getting the paint right on a 1937 Peugeot Darl'Mat means starting with a precise, even mist of the historic French racing blue.
The application of the second coat is critical, deepening the saturation of the French racing blue across the shield nose.
Ensuring the French racing blue penetrates deep into the recesses of the 402's vents is key to achieving that period elegance. We're applying a full wet coat to the sweeping front fenders. Notice how the liquid reflections travel along the teardrop curve. The original French racing blue is meticulously applied, layer by layer, restoring the iconic curves of this Darl'Mat. Here in the booth, the fine mist settles over the base coat, sharpening those classic fender lines as the gloss builds.
Few cars embody the spirit of the 30s quite like the Darl'Mat. This racing blue, magnified by the clear coat, is simply breathtaking.
The restoration process demands patience. Here we see the paint after cure, before the final polishing begins.
Here we see the painstaking process of matching the exact shade of French racing blue for the steel wheels of the 1937 Peugeot.
And here we see the stunning contrast of the fresh black rubber against that iconic French racing blue.
With the suspension and rolling hardware secured, the chassis finally meets the floor again. It's a critical moment as the car reaches.
The 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat is receiving its finished brake assemblies. The new lines are
Easy now, just a little lower on the left. Watch those mounts compress. All right, she's seated.
Dynes Plus. The reassembly phase continues as the transmission and driveline are fitted to the 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat.
Seating the rebuilt brass radiator in the 1937 Peugeot 402 requires extreme.
We need to run the main line to the pump inlet now.
Okay, that's properly torqued. We are set.
We use only period-correct cloth-wrapped wires, snapping each clip into its original position for a faithful reconstruction.
Okay, easy now. Does the left side line up?
Yes, that looks perfect. Push it in slowly.
The distinctive teardrop curve is finally reunited with the long body. It takes incredible precision to align these hidden fasteners.
Look at that gap. Absolutely spot on.
Couldn't be better. The blue really pops now.
A little lower on your side, gently.
Perfect, right there. Now for the trim.
Securing the bezels is delicate work, but once fitted, these restored yellow lamps bring the face of this magnificent 1937 Peugeot back to life.
Reassembly moves to the handles and trim. It is crucial that these chromed pieces align perfectly with the...
All right, bring the carpet in slowly. Watch the edges.
Looks perfect against the sill right here.
And here we see the culmination of months of work. The contrast between the vivid red and the French racing blue is simply stunning.
Here we see the cockpit coming back to life, the restored gauges reflecting the light, just as they did in 1937. It's painstaking work, ensuring the emblems and trim are perfectly placed on this 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat.
All checks complete. Go ahead with the ignition.
Here we go, it sounds perfect. Listen to that idle, it's perfect. We finally did it!
After years of meticulous work, the 1937 Darl'Mat emerges, truly a phoenix in French racing blue.
This stunning 402 Darl'Mat truly represents the pinnacle of pre-war French coach building. The 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat, showcasing its flawless French racing blue finish and groundbreaking aerodynamic design.
The elegance of the 402 Darl'Mat is evident in every detail, from the vibrant French racing blue cowl to the exquisite red leather stitching.
The test drive begins. This magnificent 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat.
The 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat, a masterpiece of streamlined design, truly defined an era for French motorsport and luxury.
During the test phase, the Darl'Mat truly shines. The suspension handles the textured asphalt with remarkable grace.
This test drive of the 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat proves that true elegance never goes out of style. The ride is simply superb.
In the test drive phase, the rare 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat showcases its elegant.
This stunning example of the 402 Darl'Mat, in its original French racing blue, remains a timeless classic. The 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat, a masterpiece of aerodynamic design, truly comes alive in the golden hour light.
A final pass in the golden light. The test drive complete, the legendary 402 Darl'Mat performs flawlessly.
If you want to see more forgotten legends like this 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat in original factory French racing blue. This 1937 Peugeot 402 Darl'Mat in original factory French racing blue was forgotten for decades.